Take a look at this 1979 GMC Caballero. No, it's not a Chevrolet El Camino. We got a GMC Caballero here. You can see by the grille. Don't see near as many of these around as you do the Chevrolets. Very nice car. This car actually came out of Florida, and it shows. Take a look at the underside pictures of this car. Very solid car. Speaking of still pictures and those underside pictures, unique classic cars is where you can find those at. You'll be able to check out the engine bay, interior, everything else in this car. Powered by a 350 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Yes, air conditioning does blow cold. Very nice driving and running car. Riding on BG 5-spoke mag wheels. Nice two-tone silver and blue paint. It does appear that it has had a repaint. I suppose that 79 to 80, early 80s GM paint was not the best quality, so I'm sure it has been freshened up, and it shows. Very straight car. Look up and down the sides of it. Body panels, hood, everything fits very nicely. Give us a call if you'd like to inquire about this car, have any questions on it, like to know maybe about transportation to where you're located at, or you just have some simple questions we can check out for you. We also do consider trades. Financing is available. 507-386-1726 is where we can be reached at. Has a nice matching kind of blue spray and bed liner back here. Looks very nice in the bed of it. Some nice tastefully added bed rails there. Bright work in this car is nice. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC car, 350 powered, automatic transmission. This GMC Caballero. Again, take a look down this side too and see how straight it is. This is getting into that year range, the late 70s to mid 80s we've seen really come on in the past 4 to 5 years as far as sales of those years in vehicles, especially in the GM products. GM and Ford products probably are two strongest in those years. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out all those still pictures, and especially check out the underside of this car. Extremely solid and clean. Interior also very nice. We'll go ahead and fire this one up too. Great running and sounding car. Cloth vinyl seat combination. Take a look at the dash, not all cracked. Does have the steering wheel cover on. I left it on for the pictures, but you could easily take it off. Have the stock steering wheel. Let's go ahead and fire this car up. See how easily that 350 starts. We'll have aftermarket stereo system added in it. Like I said, the AC does blow cold. It is on right now. Tap of the gas comes off high idle. Just great running car. Slip around to the back. Let's take a peek. Hear what it sounds like. Nothing crazy. Kind of what you'd expect out of a small block Chev. GM 350. Exhaust is run nice underneath the car too. You can see it comes out behind each rear wheel well. I'm going to slip over here to the front. Pop the hood so you get an idea what that engine bay looks like underneath the hood. You can see the paint's got a nice luster to it. This car shows very well. Alright, here you go. What you'd expect out of a 79 Caballero. So there's your AC, power steering, power brakes, everything running smoothly, working nice. Like I said, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726, where we can be reached at. Any of the still pictures can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, we can assist with transportation to where you're located at. Financing is available. And we do consider trades. So give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com, 1979 GMC Caballero.